So my name is Ellie Baker, and for my first video project, I am going to be doing the Bombay Phenotype, which is an example of recessive epistasis in blood types. So first, to just kind of start, we need to understand what recessive epistasis is, and so a normal case of epistasis would be when a genotype at one loci covers a gene at another loci regardless of what the other genotype may be. So these are special cases in which the homozygous recessive genotype is masking the expression of another gene. So in normal blood cases in A, B, and O, there's two loci that we're looking at, and one is coding for an antigen and one is coding for the antibodies that are going to be present in the blood. So in A, we have A antigens and anti-B antibodies, and you can see that one genotype is AA or AN recessive. And then at every single one of these, the genotype at the H loci is capital H, or it might be capital H, lowercase h if you have the heterozygous genotype. So what is this H? It's basically a substrate that the antigens are coming from. So the substrate sees your genotype, and based on that, it's going to determine what type of antigens are present in your blood type. So typically, you have any of the AB, or H antigens present. However, in the case of the Bombay phenotype, this is for individuals that have a homozygous recessive genotype, so they have lowercase h at that second loci, and that is going to mask the genotype at the other loci, which is coding for A, AB, all of that. So if you have lowercase h, you are not going to have A, B, or H antigens, and you're going to have all three antibodies present in your blood because it is masking every other genotype there is. So this is super rare. It's only 4 in every million people, and while it's asymptomatic itself, so these people will develop and function normally, it's very hard for them to get blood donations or blood transfusions because they have all of the antibodies, so they can't get blood from anyone else unless they are also have the Bombay phenotype. So this is a super rare case, but a very good example of how recessive epistasis can be looked at through blood type.